Everyone, I'm Pooja Singh, faculty in SIRTX department. Today I'm going to present my presentation on DC machine, and this is generally subjected from BEEE, and this is a real life application we can use in EV, also in crane, rolling mills, conveyors, fan and blowers in form of small DC machine and portable fan. Uh, in robotics, we can also use speed control, and in lathe machine, drilling machine, and printing machine, we are also using DC machine. So this is basic construction. This is basic construction of DC machine. In outer frame, that is used to provide mechanical support and protection to the machine, and this is known as outer frame. This is outer frame, and this is main pole, consists by pole and pole shoe, and this is winding wounded on pole core to provide the main magnetic field. This is not commutator. Commutator is generally used to convert AC machine into DC. Sorry, DC AC into DC. And this is brushes. Carbon brushes are used to collect the current, and commutator to supply an external circuit. This is brush holder and armature winding. Armature winding placed in the slot for armature core. When the it rotates, EMF is induced in the conductor. This is armature core made up by laminated steel and induced eddy current loss. There are two types of loss in machine: eddy current loss and hysteresis loss. And this is generally used to minimize that kind of loss. This is bearing. Bearing is generally reduce friction and support the rotating in shaft. And this is shaft, and this is called end shielding. So this is introduction of DC machine. DC machine work on the interaction between a magnetic field and current carrying conductor. In a motor, electric current produce motion, and in generator, motion produce electric current. This is vice versa. And what is DC machine? DC machine is an electric machine that work with direct current. It is generally used for direct current, and it can operate either at in DC generator to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, and DC motor to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, and both are vice versa. So this is main part, as we previously discussed: yoke, outer frame to provide support and strength, pole, field winding, create magnetic field, armature rotating part of magnetic field according to Faraday's law. Whenever the conductor cut magnetic flux and induced EMF, and by armature we can cut EMF, and we can create EMF. And this is known as converter. Converter is used to convert AC into DC output. Brushes is generally used to current collector, and this is shaft. It is providing a mechanical support and rotating part. And this is DC generator principle. Construction wise, both are same. And DC generator principle generally based on Faraday's law. When conductor is cut, EMF, magnetic field induced, and generator is known as EZ, and number of poles P, flux in Weber, total number of conductors Z, and speed in RPM, and parallel path A. And the EMF equation of DC machine, E is equals to P5 N upon 60 into Z by A. So now this is classification of DC machine. We can see here all classification and different parts of DC machine. And conclusion: DC machine are widely used in electrical, in industry, vehicle, toy, crane, elevators, and portable equipment like toy and all, and generally used to speed control, and it is a speed variation stored and provide strong starting torque that required. So this is all about DC machine. Thank you.